In this video, we will be discussing cryptocurrency wallets, what they are, and the importance of choosing the right wallet for your needs. First, let's define what a cryptocurrency wallet is. A cryptocurrency wallet is a software program that stores private and public keys and interacts with various blockchain networks, allowing users to send, receive, and store digital assets. Choosing the right wallet is crucial because it affects the security and accessibility of your cryptocurrency. So, in this presentation, we will be discussing the different types of cryptocurrency wallets, factors to consider when choosing a wallet, and our top recommendations for the best hardware, software, and paper wallets on the market. Stay tuned to learn more about how to keep your cryptocurrency safe and secure. In this section, we will discuss the three types of cryptocurrency wallets available to users. Firstly, hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline and provide the highest level of security. They are generally considered to be the most secure option for storing large amounts of cryptocurrencies. Secondly, software wallets are digital wallets that can be downloaded and installed on your computer or mobile device. They are often free and user-friendly, making them a popular choice for beginners. However, they are connected to the internet and are therefore more vulnerable to hacking attempts. Finally, paper wallets are a completely offline way to store your cryptocurrencies. They involve printing out your private keys on a piece of paper and then storing them in a secure location, such as a safe or a safety deposit box. While they offer high security, they can be inconvenient to use as they require the user to manually enter their private keys when making a transaction. In this section, we will discuss the factors to consider when choosing a cryptocurrency wallet. Choosing the right wallet is important because it can determine the safety of your funds and the ease of access to them. Firstly, security features should be a top priority when selecting a wallet. A good wallet should have strong security measures such as two-factor authentication, seed phrases, and encryption. These features ensure that your private keys, which are used to access your cryptocurrency, are kept safe. Secondly, the ease of use is another factor to consider. A user-friendly interface and simple navigation can make managing your cryptocurrency much easier. The wallet should be easy to set up and use, even for beginners. Lastly, compatibility with the cryptocurrencies you want to store is important. Not all wallets support all cryptocurrencies, so it's important to make sure that the wallet you choose can store the specific cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Taking these factors into consideration when choosing a wallet can help you select the best one for your needs. Now that we've discussed the factors to consider when selecting a wallet, let's move on to the best hardware wallets in the next section. In this section, we will discuss the best hardware wallets available in the market. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your cryptocurrencies offline, providing a higher level of security than software wallets. The first hardware wallet on our list is the Trezor Nano S. It is a compact and affordable device that supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. The device features a built-in screen and buttons, which allow you to confirm transactions and manage your funds securely. The second hardware wallet is the Trezor One. It is a popular wallet that offers high security features like two-factor authentication and a passphrase to protect your funds. The device is compatible with multiple cryptocurrencies and supports integration with various software wallets. The third hardware wallet on our list is the KeepKey. It is a premium wallet with a sleek design and a large display screen that allows you to confirm transactions with ease. KeepKey supports multiple cryptocurrencies and offers features like PIN protection and backup seed recovery. Choosing the right hardware wallet depends on your specific needs and preferences. It is crucial to research and compare the features and security of different wallets before making a decision. With the right hardware wallet, you can have peace of mind knowing that your cryptocurrencies are secure and protected. Software wallets, also known as hot wallets, are digital wallets that can be accessed through software applications on desktop or mobile devices. They are a convenient way to store small amounts of cryptocurrency that are frequently used for day-to-day transactions. The first software wallet on our list is Exodus. It is a popular wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and has a simple user interface, making it easy for beginners to use. Exodus also offers a feature called one-click exchange, which allows users to quickly exchange one cryptocurrency for another without leaving the wallet. The next software wallet on our list is Electrum. It is a popular wallet for Bitcoin users and is known for its security features. Electrum is a lightweight wallet, meaning it doesn't require users to download the entire blockchain, making it a fast and efficient option. Additionally, Electrum supports multi-signature transactions, allowing for added security. Lastly, we have MyEther wallet, which is a popular wallet for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. MyEther wallet is a web-based wallet, which means users can access it through any browser. It is an open-source wallet, which means that the code is available for anyone to review, adding an extra layer of security. These are just a few examples of the best software wallets available. When choosing a software wallet, it's essential to consider security, ease of use, and compatibility with your preferred cryptocurrencies. In this section, we will be discussing the best paper wallets available for storing your cryptocurrencies. A paper wallet is a piece of paper that contains a public address and a private key that can be used to access and manage your cryptocurrency. Unlike hardware and software wallets, paper wallets are not connected to the internet, which makes them less vulnerable to hacking or cyber attacks. The first paper wallet we will discuss is bitaddress.org. It is a popular open-source project that generates paper wallets for various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. The website allows you to create a paper wallet offline, which provides an extra layer of security. The next paper wallet is walletgenerator.net. It is a user-friendly website that allows you to generate a paper wallet for several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The website also provides a step-by-step guide on how to create and use the paper wallet. Lastly, we have bitcoinpaperwallet.com. It is a simple website that generates a paper wallet for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. The website provides a clean and easy-to-use interface, which makes it ideal for beginners. It also allows you to add an additional layer of security by adding a BIP38 passphrase to your paper wallet. These are the best paper wallets available in the market today. It is important to note that paper wallets require proper handling and storage, as losing or damaging them can result in the loss of your funds. Therefore, it is always recommended to keep multiple copies of your paper wallet in different locations and store them in a secure place. Welcome back. In this section, we will discuss advanced security measures for cryptocurrency storage. These measures can help you further safeguard your funds and protect against potential threats. One advanced security measure is the use of multi-signature wallets. This type of wallet requires multiple signatures, or approvals, before a transaction can be made. This adds an extra layer of security as it ensures that no single person can access or transfer the funds without the authorization of the other approved parties. Another option is timed release wallets. With this type of wallet, you can set a specific date or time for your funds to be released. This can be useful if you want to secure your funds for a certain period or prevent yourself from making impulsive trades. Cold storage in secure locations is another advanced security measure. This involves storing your cryptocurrencies offline in a secure location, such as a bank vault or safe deposit box. This method eliminates the risk of online attacks or hacks and can be a good option for long-term storage. Lastly, using a VPN for added security is also recommended. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and masks your IP address, making it more difficult for hackers to access your data or identity. In conclusion, implementing advanced security measures such as multi-signature wallets, timed release wallets, cold storage in secure locations, and using a VPN can help protect your cryptocurrency from potential threats. It's important to remember that while these measures can help increase security, no storage method is 100% foolproof, so it's always important to stay vigilant and keep your security practices up to date. In conclusion, choosing the right cryptocurrency wallet is crucial in ensuring the security and accessibility of your digital assets. It's important to consider the type of wallet that suits your needs and the factors that affect your decision, such as security features, ease of use, and compatibility with cryptocurrencies. Hardware wallets like Ledger Nano S, Trezor One, and KeepKey are great for users who prioritize security and are willing to invest in a physical device. Meanwhile, software wallets like Exodus, Electrum, and MyEther Wallet are more user-friendly and can be accessed on your computer or mobile device. Lastly, paper wallets are a cost-effective option for storing small amounts of cryptocurrency offline. Some popular paper wallets include bitaddress.org, walletgenerator.net, and bitcoinpaperwallet.com. It's important to do your research and choose a wallet that best fits your needs. And always remember to keep your private keys safe and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation was helpful in guiding you towards making an informed decision about your cryptocurrency wallet.